Big war over BJP's job fair in Delhi. Sources tell us that Aam Aadmi Party to raise the job fair with the poll body. The meeting that's been scheduled at 3 p.m. You have Aam Aadmi Party netas, including AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal, who will be meeting with the Election Commission chief at 3 p.m. That's the time that has been announced. They're going to be meeting collectively, accusing the BJP of manipulating voters' list. And at that point, they're also going to be raising issue of job fair that the BJP has scheduled in Delhi. BJP plans Har Ghar Naukri scheme for jobs, a fair that will promote people of Delhi to get jobs. In fact, this will be a platform where they will be provided with opportunities. BJP to be holding this job fair, we hear, in Kejriwal's New Delhi bastion. BJP attacking Kejriwal over no jobs in Delhi, and they are also going to be holding a fair. Now, you have the model code of conduct that's already in place, considering the Election Commission has announced dates for elections in Delhi. 5th of February is when elections happen. Now, weeks away for polls, model code of conduct in place. Is it allowed for a job fair to take place? Parvesh Sharma of the BJP speaks.
फायदा की नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में केजरीवाल एक भी किसी बच्चे को नौकरी नहीं दे पाए। हजारों नौकरियां उन्होंने सरकारी नौकरियां अभी तक जो 11 साल में नहीं निकाली है। मैंने सबको वायदा किया कि मैं सबको बच्चों को नौकरी दूंगा। 15 तारीख को जॉब फेयर लगा रहे हैं। 50 कंपनियों से ज्यादा कंपनियां आ रही हैं। सभी बच्चों को बुलाएंगे जिनका रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा और उनको वहां पर जॉब देंगे।
Let me bring in Maushmi joining us for more on that. Maushmi, give us a take on Aam Aadmi Party reaching out to the poll body. They've sought an appointment at 3 p.m. on the voters list manipulation that they allege the BJP of indulging in. And now another issue that's come up on BJP organizing a job fair in New Delhi bastion, which is supposed to be Arvind Kejriwal's constituency. This has erupted in a controversy. Now, give us more.
Clearly, Nabila, every side is trying to pitch in their best, and even as the poll battle is heating up, you have several issues like job employment, job guarantee, to reservation quota for the Jats, to electoral roles actually cropping up. And it's not the first time that the Aam Aadmi Party or the opposition has made a big deal about the voters list. We saw how the Chief Election Commissioner at length explained how the voters lists was verified and cross-checked and double cross-checked. But yet again, the Aam Aadmi Party pointing out to certain voter lists will be heading to the Election Commission, where all the big guns of the Aam Aadmi Party along with Mr. Kejriwal will actually make their case in point. On the other hand, whereas the BJP is cornered and, unemployment has made an issue by the opposition on the national canvas, here you have the tables turned, as Parvesh Sharma said, that this is a job mela that the BJP is conducting to ensure that the unemployed youth get employment, and thereby, pointing out to the failures of the AAP government. So, as I said, Nabila, that this is a battle that will be fought till the very last over, and we'll have several rabbits being pulled out of the hat by all the politicians there.
Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us.